welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting lined up for all our hardworking college students out there. In this video, we'll be sharing some amazing study hacks that will supercharge your learning and help you achieve academic success. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Time management techniques. Time management is the key to effective studying. Here are 3 powerful techniques to help you make the most of your time. Pomodoro technique: break your study time into 25-minute chunks, followed by a short break. This helps maintain focus and improves productivity. Time blocking: allocate specific time slots for different subjects or tasks. This method ensures you stay organized and prevents procrastination. Prioritization: create a to-do list and prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines. This way, you'll always know what needs to be done first. Optimize your study environment. A conducive study environment can significantly boost your productivity. Try these hacks to optimize your study space. Declutter and organize, remove distractions, and create a clean workspace to help you concentrate better. Ambient music or white noise: use background music or white noise to drown out external disturbances and create a focused atmosphere. Natural lighting: whenever possible, study in natural light as it enhances alertness and reduces eye strain. Effective note-taking strategies. Taking efficient notes can greatly enhance your understanding and retention of information. Here are some note-taking hacks to try. Cornell method: divide your notebook page into sections for key concepts, questions, and summaries. This method helps with active learning and reviewing. Mind maps: create visual diagrams to connect and organize information. Mind maps are excellent for visual learners and aid in memory recall. Color coding: use different colors for different topics or categories to make your notes visually appealing and easier to review later. Study group techniques. Collaborating with peers can make studying more engaging and effective. Check out these study group hacks. Group discussions: discussing topics with your study group can help you gain new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Teach each other: teach and explain concepts to your group members. It reinforces your knowledge and helps you identify areas that need improvement. Divide and conquer: divide topics among group members and study individually. Then, come together to share and discuss what you've learned. Healthy study habits. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for academic success. Here are some study hacks to keep your mind and body in top shape. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. It improves memory consolidation and cognitive function. 2. Stay active. Incorporate regular exercise or short breaks with stretching to boost blood circulation and improve focus. Balanced diet: eat brain-boosting foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Avoid excessive caffeine and opt for healthier alternatives like herbal tea.